In this video, I will show you how to change the name of your Mac. This video is for MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac and Mini Mac. To see the name of your Mac, click on the Apple logo and click on the lock screen. Currently, you can see the name of my Mac is My iMac. I am entering the password. To change the name of your Mac, click on the Apple logo again and click on the System Settings. Under System Settings, go to the Users and Groups and you will see the name of your machine. Right click on it and click on the Advanced options. Enter your password and click on Unlock. In order to change the name, just double click on the full name and enter the new name. Now I have given the new name as My Cat. Click on OK button and close the system settings. Now to see the new name, click on the Apple logo and click on the lock screen. Here you will see the new name for your Mac. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.